Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the concept of structuralism in geography. This is a critical theoretical approach in human geography. Okay, important topic for UGC NET examination. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. First of all, what is structuralism? Definition: structuralism is a theoretical framework that holds that elements of human culture and social life must be understood in terms of their relationship to a larger overarching system of structure, rather than thorough individual elements in isolation. Okay, hidden structures, social phenomena are shaped by underlying, often invisible structures, economic, political, and cultural. Relations over elements, meaning arises from relationships between parts, not from the parts themselves in isolation. Scientific approach seeks objective systematic laws governing social organization similar to natural sciences. Origins and intellectual roots. 1916. Ferdinand de Saussure. Course in General Linguistic Language as a System of Science, Synchronic versus Diachronic Analysis. 1940s to 1950s. Claude Lévi-Strauss. Applied structural methodology to anthropology, study of myths, kinship as underlying binary oppositions. 1960s, Louis Althusser, structural Marxism, social formations as complex wholes with economic, political, and ideological levels. 1970s, entry with geography, radical geographers adopt structuralism to critique capitalism, David Harvey's foundational work. Okay, key concepts of structuralism. Structure, that means the underlying, often invisible system of rules and relations that organize social reality and constrain human action. Then determination, that means structures determine or strongly constrain social practices, outcomes, and human behavior. Binary oppositions, meaning is created through contrast, core, periphery, urban, rural, developed, and underdeveloped. Totality, society is viewed as a whole system. Individual elements can only be understood in relation to the total structure. Mode of production, the base economic forces, relations that shapes the superstructure, politics, law, ideology, and culture. Social formation, the complex articulation of different modes of production within a concrete historical society. Next, Marxist structuralism in geography. Superstructure, politics, law, ideology, culture, and religion. Okay, base, mode of production, forces of production plus relations of production. These are determinants of Marx-based superstructure model. Spatial inequality, capitalism produces uneven geographical development, regions are structurally marginalized. Accumulation of capital, spaces is organized to facilitate capital accumulation, landscape reflects capitalist imperatives. Harvey's contribution, David Harvey's Social Justice and the City, 1973, applied structural Marxism to urban geography. World Systems Theory, Wallerstein, core, semi-periphery, periphery structure of global capitalism. Key thinkers, their contributions. Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883, political economy. Base superstructure model, mode of production is driver of social and spatial organization, historical materialism. Ferdinand de Saussure, 1857-1913, linguistic. Language as a system of difference, synchronic analysis, signified model applied to geographic science. Louis Althusser, 1990, structural Marxism, ideological state apparatus, ISA, relative autonomy of superstructure, anti-humanistic Marxism. David Harvey, 1935 and present, radical geography, social justice and the city, spatial fix, accumulation by disposition, historical geographical materialism. Immanuel Wallerstein, 1939-2019, world systems, core, periphery, model of global capitalism, unequal exchange, structural position of nations in world economy. Structuralism in spatial analysis. Spatial structure, uneven development, core periphery relations, global capitalism, spatial division of labor, urban-rural divide. Structuralism versus other approaches. Approach, focus, human agency, and scale. Approach positivism, focus observable facts, laws, human agency ignored, scale quantitative. Structuralism, hidden structure, constrained by structure, societal and global. Humanism, individual experience, central, local or personal. Post-structuralism, discourse, power, fragmented, micro and macro. Behavioralism, perception and decision, emphasized and individual. Okay, highlighted raw structuralism. Critics and limitations. Economic determinism. Overemphasis on economic base, culture and political factors created as mere reflections of economy. This is a ahistorical tendencies. Okay, static structural analysis sometimes fails to account for historical change and a contingency adequately. Post-structuralist challenges. Foucault, Derrida, no single stable structure, meaning is fluid, contested and power-laden. Neglect of human agency. Individual reduced to bearers of structure, no room for human creativity, resistance or subjectivity. Eurocentrism, structuralist frameworks largely derived from Western context, limited applicability in global South settings. Empirical weakness, difficulty in empirical testing, abstract structural claims, gap between theory and field evidence. UGC NET must known exam points. David Harvey's Social Justice and the City, 1973, is the landmark text applying structural Marxism to geography. Wallerstein's world systems theory divided world into core, semi-periphery and periphery. Structuralism rose to prominence in 1970s, part of the radical geography movement. Althusser's concept of ideological state apparatus, ISA, and repressive state apparatus, that means RSS. Key concept, spatial fix, capitalism, temporal resolve, crisis through geographical expansion, Harvey. Accumulation by dispossession, Harvey's new Marxist concept for contemporary primitive accumulation. Mode of production and forces of production, technology plus relations of production, class relations. Post-structuralism emerged as a critique associated with Foucault, Derrida, 1980s onwards in geography. Dorian, Massey and spatial division of labor, structural analysis of regional inequality in United Kingdom. Okay, legacy, post-structuralism and beyond. Legacy of structuralism shifted geography away from descriptive towards explanatory critical frameworks. Established class capitalism, power as central concerns for human geography. It laid groundwork for political economy approach in geography. Okay, structuralism inspired feminist geographers to apply structural analysis to gender inequalities. It is a foundation for global political economy and development geography. Post-structuralist turn, discourse and power, Foucault. Space and knowledge are produced through power relations, no objective structural truth. Deconstruction, all binary oppositions, core periphery are unstable and can be deconstructed. Culture and turn, 1980s to 1990s, geography shifted to culture, identity, representation alongside structural concerns. Hybrid approaches today. Contemporary geography integrates structure and agency, critical realism, share, structuration theory, guidance. Okay, concepts of structuralism in geography. This is a summary. Origins, Saussure, linguistic, Lévi-Strauss, anthropology, Althusser, Marxism, geography, 1970s. Core idea, social reality shaped by hidden structures, economic base determines superstructure. In geography, explains uneven development, core periphery, spatial inequality under capitalism. Key thinkers, Marx, Althusser, Harvey, Wallerstein, Massey, Dorian, Massey. Critique, economic determinism, neglects agency, challenged by post-structuralism. Legacy, foundation for radical geography, critical development geography, political economy. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.